Alright, so this is a 2016 BMW 320i. This is the F30 chassis. And then this is a sedan, by the way. But you can see that the tail light is cracked. I'm guessing someone just slammed their door into the tail light and then it just cracked. So I'm going to be replacing that today. Alright, so this is the replacement tail light. This is off partsgeek.com. And it's a Depot brand taillight. So here's all the information if you're looking for one. Alright, so here's the replacement light, and so just comparing it to the original one, it's pretty spot on. It looks almost the same. The only difference is right here in the corner where my thumb is. There's no BMW, where the OEM tail light says BMW right there. So that looks like it's the only difference, but pretty much the exact same looking. Alright, so looking how this is bolted to the car, it looks like this nipple right here on the very corner pops in, and then it's held on by two bolts or screws on the side right here. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is remove this cover, and it looks like it's just held on by a plastic screw. So I'm just going to use a screwdriver and just undo it. Alright, so with the screw removed, we should be able to just take this off. So, see, it's tucked into the trunk weather strip, so just work it out just like that. So it looks like it's only held on by two 10mm bolts. Alright, so I'm just gonna remove this with the ratchet and a 10mm socket. Alright, so now this should just pop out. So, oh, I didn't even need to do much. I just wiggled it back and forth a little bit, and then this nipple on the end came off. Alright, so to disconnect the tail light, you just press down right here and then pull. So press down, pull, that's it. Alright, so this is just plugging it in and then just bolting it back on now. So we're just gonna plug that in. This only goes one way, and it should click. Oh, it didn't click, but it's in all the way. It's good. Yep, that's in there. Tuck this wire back in. Alright, and it should just pop in. And just push. Alright, everything looks good, so we're gonna install this cover. So I'm just gonna pull out this weather strip a little bit so make it easier. So we can just pop that in. These two little things on the bottom just pop in to the bumper. Goes in like that, and then tuck the weather strip over. So you can see that the edges are tucked in under the weather strip, and then you can just insert the screw now, and that's it. Alright, there you have it.